Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. My name is Ramadhani from class F Accounting. Welcome back to my video. Chapter 4 Corporation Accounting Principle 2 by Elizabeth Minbiole. I'd like to explain about corporation. Chapter for this corporation is a part of accounting principle 2 by Elizabeth Minbiole. So talking about the characteristic of a corporation, and so the first thing we have to know about corporation is the characteristic of corporation. What is a characteristic of corporation? There is number of characteristics which engine a corporation, from a sole proprietor or partnership, and so unlimited life, and the corporation is only advanced stockholders and miniature life employees. The share stock that of stockholders or in a period of an employee to function does not affect to the continuous life of the corporation. Its character may limit the corporation's life aside the corporation may continue if the character is extended limit liability. The liability of the amount X has invested in a corporation, original asset of stockholder, are not available to creditors or lenders taking payment of amount owed by a corporation, creditor, or limited to corporate the zips for satisfaction in the players. Separate legal entity, the corporation is considered as good legal entity, conducting business in its own name. Therefore, corporation may own property and certain bidding control. We work money to my sweat and back tax stockholders are against for the corporation on if they are also employees or descendants as against relatives is of transferring ownership rights. A person who based in corporation is called a stockholder and receives stock certificate indicating the number of shares of the companies she or he has purchased, particularly a public company. The stock can be easily transferred in a part or total, and the discretion of the stockholder and their professional management investor incorporate is in not actively finish business as most corporations hire professional managers to operate the business. The investor hold on the board of directors who are responsible for his management. Then is of capital acquisition and is of capital acquisition. The corporation can be obtained capital based selling top board ones. This gives the corporation a rack full of result because it is not limited to the short of a small number of individual and government regulations. It shapes top result in governments regulation protects stockholders. The owners or big corporation state laws usually include require for using stock and distribution to stockholders. The federal securities laws also go from the sale of stock globally. See how companies will stop trade on exchange or acquiring supply their final statement and additional information included with the Securities Exchange Commission stock terminology. Talking about stock terminology, we have to understand about some definitions that is to part in this topic that are authorized stock issue, stock outstanding, stock original, stock market value. When a value contributes capital, no finished stock set of all common stock private stock definite stockholders. Equity and retail near and is okay. What is authorized to stop? I hope or is law is the table of number of share of stock corporation. Because if you stop this stock is a number of shares transfer it to stockholder in exchange or cash or sales orders on a vendors outstanding. Stock is its tower stock in half my stockholder and has not been employed back up by the corporation treasury. Stock is sold stock is has been well about when its corporation and in market value in the price taken by interest. Buyer in seller for stock of publicly trade companies but follow in the value assuming any in occur in corporation article of incorporation to a national stock man contribute capital is also qualified in capital is the amount of any receipt it about a corporation it is just at stock. And then the planner can use stock in share of stock yet do not include a card. Winning and then staying value is the value assignment to Norway value. Stock me report of directors of corporation common stock in the chain of stock issue most effectively like a corporation common stock ownership. Normally include the rights to put on stock owner mirror to receiver dependence on me after profit stockholder and in the event of liquidation to receive their investment back if anything remain up after the creditor who are paid in if investment of the first reference stockholder whose return to them in a period stop there is class of stock that normally has to wait to receive evidence and any case a corporation and return of investment before common stockholder. Dependence resident is a distribution by corporation to its owner is from of has asset or the company holder equity in a corporation snatching the owner equity. The owner's equity section is called stockholder equation. It includes the contributory of capital account and retail net earning, and the last one is retained earning as the amount of net income the corporation has committed, been estimated, been distributed, and divided to its stockholder. Thank you.